Let's play a game. This is Ddakji, a Korean traditional game. You win the game when you flipped your opponent's tile.
Ow!
Why did you hit me?
You need to fold the Ddakji first. 6 simple steps to fold Ddakji game. Step 1. Fold the paper into thirds. Measure your paper size and divide into 3. You will get the thirds. Use the ruler to guide you. Align the papers to the marking. Align paper from both sides and fold up to align to the top. Step 2. Repeat step 1 with a second sheet of paper. Step 3. Fold the corners. Start from the top right hand corner. Fold to align paper on the left and fold the flap down. Turn the paper anti-clockwise and repeat the folding. Remember to fold from top right hand corner. Step 4. Repeat step 3 with the second paper you have folded earlier. Step 5. Overlap both paper together. Position it like a plus sign. Step 6. Fold in all the flaps. Start from the left, then the bottom. Next is the right flap. Finally use your finger to slightly lift up the paper and insert the last flap into it. Completed. Let's start the game by smashing the like and subscribe button.
I start first.
You lost. You lost.
Ah!
Again. 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 You lost.